Learn English with Om Nom.
Blue. Cyan. Orange. Yellow.
Here is Om Nom. Today we're going to learn how to draw fruits. Let's draw an apple. That is the core of the apple. Do you like apples? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. What colour is the apple? An apple is red. Let's colour the apple red. That is a yummy looking apple. I'm hungry. I'm going to go and eat an apple. What should we draw next? Let's draw a pear. A pear has seeds. What colour is a pear? Is it blue or green? A pear is green. The seeds in the pear are brown. I love pears. Pears are delicious. I have a wheelbarrow to collect the pears. Should we draw an orange? An orange is round. An orange has a thick skin. Is the orange looking sad? Should we put some color on the orange? What color is an orange? An orange is orange, of course. The orange has jumped from the drawing board. Oh, look, it's running away. Let's draw some grapes. A grape is small and round. Grapes grow in a bunch. We have a bunch of grapes. I love grapes. Don't they look yummy? Let's color the grapes. What color are the grapes? Are they purple? Yes, grapes are purple. Grapes are tasty. I love grapes. I can eat the whole bunch of grapes. Yum! I love strawberries. I love a strawberry milkshake more. What about you? Strawberries are red in color. They have a green leaf on their head. And there goes the strawberry, running away from Om Nom. Bye-bye. Until next time.
Oh, look. Here's Om Nom. Hello, Om Nom. Oh. Watch out. A pencil? I wonder what the pencil is going to draw. Any guesses, kids? This seems like a foundation. A rooftop? Ooh, an attic with a triangle window. A rectangle window down there. A door. And another rectangle window. Some steps. And a chimney. Yes, the pencil is drawing a house. Wow, Om Nom, isn't this amazing? But it seems incomplete. What can you do? Think, Om Nom, think. Aha! Let's build the house. That's right. First, we're going to add in the foundation. Now we're going to add the steps. Yay! Let's do the walls. Woohoo! Now for the roof. We'll put the tiles on. Yay! And let's not forget the windows. The attic window first. Oh, the chimney. Yes. And now for the other two windows. And let's not forget the door. Perfect! Yay! That looks fantastic, Om Nom. I just love it. Ah, something else is missing in the garden. What is it? Yes, it's a tree. Let's add it on the right side. Perfect. And some hedges. Yay! I think our picture is complete now. Bye!
Let's paint the bus. Yellow bus. Pink wheel. Red horn. Green door. Blue window. Bye, Om Nom. Subscribe. Click to watch more.